Welcome to TU Dublin Technology Services Eduroam Windows Guide. First, open a web browser and go to cat.eduroam.org. Next, click on the blue download button to download the installation file. The organisation window will open. Search for TU Dublin from the list of organisations and select it. Select your user group and then click on the download button for your version of Windows. When the install file downloads, open the file. The Eduroam installer will now run. Click Next and then click OK. Next, you will enter your username. Staff members must add the suffix @tudublin.ie to their staff number, while students must add the suffix @mytudublin.ie followed by their student number. You will be prompted to enter your password and repeat it. Once you have done so, select Install. The Eduroam profile will be installed. Select Finish. You can now automatically connect to any Eduroam Wi-Fi point in your vicinity. Thank you for watching from TU Dublin Technology Services.